Where you beg now?
Uncle Anja, please.
Me not have no money right now, you know. And right now, your sister me I wash up them when me tired. So go on up with your father, go beg him.
No dog.
I feel your papa, you know. So go and go ask him. He must have if you can find it give you. And me
Alright.
always I do.
Oh, God of mercy. Mm-hmm.
Daddy!
Where are
Hi.
you? Oh, you know if
Let's
me
go
get
come
yard?
see you.
Oh, you know
No,
if
you
you...
say about that.
Where are you on the road?
No, mom can't send me come to you. Okay, morning. I'm hungry.
So your mother support. Your mother now work again? Eh?
Uncle Anja?
So you left from your mama's yard. Come on my yard with $100. I thought life really gone bad. Every
So she's
week.
not having.
Listen to me. Your mother cannot tell her that every week, me personally send 10 grand go give your mother. $1,000 you use go to school a day, 5,000 left. Right? That can buy snacks and juice. If your responsibility is to buy cook food. Because a half and half. Government has 6 grand to get a week. Me should have put 3, she should have put 3. You understand? Me don't know if you raise it now. But me all along me I give 10, give mother 10 grand a week, sometimes 20 grand a week. If me make one extra money, me give her 40 grand.
She buy food stuff now, but she done.
Because you now ban your belly. You have to ban your belly and pray. You're a girl picking it. You understand? Not like that, man. Do that again. Don't come on the road, come attack me for no $100. Hold it. Bring back my change. Yeah, what me say?
We make a change.
Good.
Kenna,
Yeah.
what going sis?
No.
Yeah, cook though.
Yeah.
You good?
Of course.
Girl, for the honest truth,
What?
you know me have a little spudgy.
Mm-hmm.
So, may I tell you, say, if you come on the room, come call me and hear me, just know I'm going to check in for your money. Here? So you can say happy for me?
Me happy for you, go on.
No,
I
later.
finally kick you
But-
out of this.
Hold on. Can I
What?
get a piece of the chicken?
Come out of my pot. Move. Go make your man buy your food, yeah?
Later.
Goodbye. No come back. Bye.
Jay!
Again.
What going? Good
Yeah.
evening.
Where's that going now?
Here, sit down out the door, so.
No, because in our house, I had somebody just come out the door, you
So
know?
you can make me go in the house.
You know, in the time there now. Anytime you come here, I something you're looking at. What's your problem?
Well, not really, but me I try. Me want, today is Sunday, you know, me want cook. So me I beg you 10 grand.
My God. You know, say me want cook too. Eh? You know, say me did want cook too.
You can give me 5 and use the next 5 cook. What you say about that?
Let me tell you.
You can use 5 cook and give me next 5.
Well, I'm sorry for you still if they come look early, I could have give you money for cook. My daughter just not too long check me.
You don't love me?
I love you, but my picnic is more important. You understand?
I understand say child, yes, but I know so I know everything out of your pocket you take, girl.
Everything. Me give you the $1,000 tell if you bring back my change, but me know say
And $1,000 alone you have pie.
$1,000 me did have. But me know say she
So
not
none
come back
in
with the
any
change.
age,
Me just try to show her principle, but me so you know some money you usually keep in my jar.
I just ask.
No, I don't like the idea of that. I don't like the idea of that. Well, listen to me. Every time you come here, you know to say, yo, let me help you rake up your yard. Let me help you wash up your plate. Let me help you cook.
But you
Let me
know,
help you
no
make up
dirty
your-
plate in them. I know a man like you not gonna keep dirty plate in a fair house.
Right. But that not say at least half of me if you do that. Even if you say clean, you half of you do that. You understand?
Well, I'm gonna wash plate and rake yard for me, I don't know.
Why, oh boy.
My brother, I might do that.
Alright, interesting.
So, anyways, from that to the name Sunday, you know I may go later.
Alright, check back later.
Make sure no come realize there be a pill my friend other day, you know.
Come on, man. Jody, you say check back later. Check back later, man.
It's like you don't love me. I mean, I
No,
like
for real.
that.
Let's check back later too, man. Later?
I can't get a hug then.
Yeah, later me I go. No worry about that.
Alright, no
Alright.
worries.
Yeah, later me I go.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
This level?
Of course.
Wow.
And then, you know,
Girl, I'm gonna get no money. You know I laugh.
well, but what away? What you know? You spooky this, spooky that, spooky this, spooky
Instead
that.
of have to give him that, right? No worry about that. Yes, when you see me coming here with Kyle, trying to stop a Kyle. But girl, I have a plan to do that.
Yeah, what I do say, I'm gonna build me a house and buy me back all of my food them.
No worry about that. You can come cut them out of my belly right now.
Yuck. What you know? Spooky this, spooky that, spooky.
Yeah, right. Later, I'm gonna lie down.
Why? Okay, calm.
Wow.
Um,
You did get your money from your father?
get was
So wait there. So you spend up everything by son of heat. Alright, next you say anything we buy for heat, make sure you serve it today and tomorrow.
oh God.
Oh God, you didn't know how God when you not spend up everything. You not even say, alright, mommy, so one bag juice here. Just make sure I serve for you today and tomorrow.
So I'm gonna
So you go and make up your father. Go get more. So you hear, so bring struck there.
Kuya. Over here, I'm just come from, you know.
I'm gonna take a walk, man, you know.
I'm gonna left and go with my sister. Somebody I'm gonna take a lie them up. I just remember say, but this lady forgot on the dates today.
Yeah, but the time kind of too hot. Yes, the heat to go on now.
That's why we forgot beard and coat. If we go on hotel with AC there,
Oh, yeah.
here we again, different Tory.
No, I was telling you, let's go up and cook. You must can cook
Where
for
you
me.
go cook?
Well, we have cow foot in there.
When I eat cow food.
We have pick oxtail and we have steak and we have
You have lobster?
shrimp and lobster, yeah.
Alright, come.
But can you cook?
Yeah.
Cause remember, you know, the last time I make you fried egg, you know, wasn't so pretty, you know. The egg burn up and
What
salt.
you try to say?
If a
I
person,
want me tell you what happened.
so you pay attention to your phone.
Exactly.
But paying attention, that's why we say you cannot cook because
Me
you have to pay
can cook,
attention
but me
to your
not gonna have
phone.
my phone now when me dey cook and me dey go cook lobster.
When you
and
want to
shrimp.
know if a female can cook, you give them egg to fry. Once the egg is
If
burned
you
up,
dey give me water for boil.
listen to me. That's how you test a woman who then can cook. You give them egg to fry first. If you cannot fry egg, you cannot cook. Learn something. You understand? So if you
Alright,
want,
since I saw you tell me say me can cook, well, me I go lie down in a bed and you cook and come give me dinner.
anything you want to do, come on, no matter.
Parents you know live with the woman again, me your wife to be.
Show.
Hi. I got play some Lisa.
What happened now?
I'm so hungry.
Lord of God.
Don't say that. Don't say that. You're my father. And like some I got to know a man. I beg them no money.
Me understand that, but you couldn't do that. Or that, you said that you can break up. You gotta get the rest of it, yeah? Listen to me now. And your mama must cook you.
Sometimes she not having.
So she don't know what name work.
Them father too. Come to it one.
Oh, so me alone to maintain all the burden. You know what kind of job me do? Eh? You don't know, right? Sometimes, yeah, how much?
15.
Right. You know, you can walk and look, even buy some bag juice and sell it down there. Only for putting in a year, and see only for putting in a year. All you have to do is just buy some bag juice, some sweetie, and sell them. You have to learn to be an entrepreneur. I said I read the name because I go to school from when, as you can see. I'm in a school now. I don't know what they're teaching in a school nowadays. Because I realize that some of them teachers are kakati. Social media, hold them. Then come in, then write on the board, then go on phone, and chat and giggle. That's what some of them teachers are tan. When they come to school, them man stress, then take you out for uno.
Alright.
That they notice with some of them. And some of the teacher them are flirt to the pit them. Especially the man one them. Especially for the coach team them. Sometimes you see some girl, they pan check and feel and can run. But yet them are the overhead, head girl for uno.
They're not about them. No business about them. Long as me know say you got me better than that. And mom.
Alright, you want now. You go draw 15,000. Right? You go put on 5,000 to go to school for the week. You go use the 10,000 to go to supermarket. I mean, I tell you if you don't buy no dry goods.
Oh, what I do with my love?
Huh?
What I do with my love?
Who broke in a dry goods?
So,
I'm matter of fact, give your mother the card. Nobody ever draw no money off of it. Give your mother the card and make she alone go draw the money and go buy cook food, meat, buy one of chicken back, chicken neck, tin mackerel, bully beef, baked bean and them something there, rice and flour. You understand what I say? And one buckle of
I
oil.
want that.
You see them dry goods business here where they were selling them snacks business, I eat a sick no half. I eat a fertilizer no too quick. The salt business no good for no. You understand? If your mama could have cooked without salt, it would not so bad. What you think your mama breathe before time? Too much salt. Stop it. Buy cook
Hey,
food.
read that.
You're full of chat.
No, no, good. Better.
Make sure you go to church too. Take up your Bible. Come here. Because you're going with the card and me and your mama no chat. Walk with her. It's when she draw the 15 grand, take back my card. The code is 0052. Take back my card. What me say?
Take back your card.
Bring it to me when you're done. Good.
Wonder if the money there in hard cars. If you forgot chill out tonight, yeah. So mind that this. Hello,
Listen
good
now.
afternoon.
You don't say?
Me say hello, good afternoon. Anyways, me stop you. Your father over there?
No.
Me tell you this. My stepmother. You hear?
You can't mess up mother. Look. Lily.
Well, me
Yeah,
all enough to take your father
You
from your
need
mother.
enough.
You know what I'm saying, no manners?
Mm.
Take your backside, go on up the road. Make a look for your father. Because what your mother can do, me can do it better. You hear?
My mother look 10 times better than you. She can do more.
She can cook.
Mm-hmm.
She can clean the house.
100%.
Go ask your father who cook and clean for him.
Not I'm arguing. Go on.
Come here. Come here. How will you get that from in your hand?
No, you say about that later.
Look a girl, me call
Oh,
you.
you say about that later.
Me have to see you. No. Jay! Oh, you out the door. Welcome, babes.
Alright.
Me there, yeah.
We say yesterday. That's what I'm telling you. I did tell you. But you think a joke. What we said to you about the cooking?
You share me and tell me say me can't cook. Cause the last time me fry egg, me bunny up and put too much salt in there.
But this time you mess up the lobster, man. It's full of too much chicken seasoning.
How me mess up the lobster? But that's why it fi cook.
With too much seasoning?
Say if it not seasoned, how it have a taste good.
Listen me. When you're cooking and you're not cooking for yourself.
And at school me there now.
You balance the flavor. You make, if you can cook if you equal the flavor, you balance it. You want to know when you balance it?
You know somebody tell us if you cook your food yourself last night.
You don't understand what I'm trying to tell you. You don't understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Anyways, but I know that me come over here for you tell me.
Oh.
You know somebody say that up the road a while ago and she not had no manners. She not had no manners.
You will have manners.
Imagine passing her and I tell her good evening.
And what happened?
Look a girl need a fat probably me say it again. Look a girl come and just put up her hands. So me say, excuse your father over there, she gonna ask me. Why?
Yeah, but I ask the same question. Why you want to know if my father over there?
But I'm your stepmother. Then she gonna talk about how I'm too young.
That's where you go wrong. You see, we don't know woman. We don't know what adjust a man and him picnic. You don't go to the picnic and tell him say you're not stepmother.
But you have to know me and what to you.
No, listen. Make it take time going and take time going until everything settle down. No, you tell him say you're his stepmother now. But when you try to influence
And
that picnic.
And then she go carry her mother in this. Where her mother, you and her mother left.
Yeah, me and her
And me
mother.
and you know. So how our mother catching this? So that me want to know. You shouldn't have no manners.
Yeah.
I'm gonna think me I go work between me and her. I swear.
You know what I'm saying?
But anyways, today's a day. That girl, look how me look. Me guess.
Hot and sexy, yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you give me 20 grand now?
Me know enough, father. Me know. Beg you come to bed. Me know, man. Me know. But anyway.
Me see her with a card a while ago and I
And
know
that-
see her feel.
And that me the hotel say she gone with the bank card. So is that either tomorrow? they
So
check me back?
question. You have ice water in your fridge?
Yeah,
You have juice in your fridge?
yeah,
You have tissue in your bathroom?
yeah,
You have soap?
yeah.
You sure?
You have everything.
Me know you not have none. And me know you have the money in your pocket for go buy it. You must can give me it.
You don't have it, but you can come and go cool out. I don't know.
You see when time I want to go in the house today for cool out, I never want cool out. And now me not want to go in there. I know you want to go in.
So what's wrong with that?
Nothing wrong with it. Me tell you from other day you appeal me no cause you see you need to make we go on the road. We say
So
we
how
are go
good
on
are
a
you
date. Me want go hotel, me want go a pool, me want me and you go out.
Listen to me, mama. You want to go to hotel and you want to go to pool, but you know what me can make? Me can buy a plastic pool put right here, so.
No, but you know no manners. Look pa me from head to toe.
No.
Me too up there for that. You
No, we can buy a plastic pool put right here, so the fan. We can buy the commercial fan and put an ice pan in front of it and make it blow. Cool it down.
see? It can't hold me. My body too big.
See? Where say you can do?
Me go ask you a question. I one time me born. You hear? Me ask you a question. When you buy the pool, are you who go in here?
Yeah, you.
It can't hold me. Me too thick for that. You know, see me a tickers.
Hold on.
Murder. So, what is stick you for?
No, something I try.
No, me tell me I no stick. Me say me a tickers. My body bigger than this. Kuya. My body bigger than that.
Hold on, what take a while? You're right. Come. Take a while.
Yeah, can me go a pool? Yes or no?
Not today. With that, I can't with the credit card. So you have to go
But your daughter, she can't get keepy. Your daughter can't keepy.
And where's the cash gonna come from?
And more than one card you have. You can't tell me nothing. I'm tell you how I know see last time I go in your wallet and say they give me money. I spot the whole I card them in here. So you can't fool me.
All right. You can't fool you because what if I card in my wallet? You should
And they have money pan there.
all right, come on, go buy something.
What you buy me?
I'm going to such it.
Me no name but on such plus me no name tin food.
Why just so well?
Me say me no name bun and me no name tin food. Me look like me look dry out here. Me no name dry goods.
Mama, a tin food save your whole generation. So don't come disgrace tin food. If you don't eat it, don't
Hello,
sell.
I'm not come over here for you disgrace me, no.
Come.
I'm not come over here for you disgrace
Because
me.
you're gone too far now, man. You're gone
But me I
far.
tell you, you gone far, cause look where you want give me for name dry goods. Me not name tin food, I me not name bun. Cause me, hey, you know what me do? I'm take myself and come out here and come back the next day when you cool down.
Jesus, believe for me. No, sir.
Must have a bite. Oh, what's wrong? Hi.
What?
Uh-uh.
Where you come from?
The video for daddy. Oh, yeah,
So when you
money. Give me a card. See if it's shop. So shop for my groceries, put some in my pocket, and some to go to school.
so much money in gear so?
15,000 for job, 15,000.
So 15,000 for
No, go
grocery,
ask him.
your pocket money, and for go to school. Then that can do for you?
No, I forgot ask him.
You need
Charge
the help
him more than
more
that.
for ask him if in the that good for you.
No, can I charge a little more 5?
Look at me and you and your papa not gonna do nothing about your money, you know. So it's either you go up, we go tell him say you go on more than that, or you go dry and tell him say you draw more than that. But me and you and your papa not gonna in an argument.
No, why not talk at them? Why him not talk?
Am I papa?
Ayo, man.
Am I man? You see me animal like that?
No, I can't ask me about that.
You see me with man?
Ayo, man.
You see me with man?
No, never mind. Come, one.
You sure lucky you have papa here tell me say you see me with man.
I
Anyways,
just want to take care of me.
come we will go buy you something them. I know that way yeah. Where you go up the sofa?
Hey, no one go last.
I don't know the pin you keep it put in your pocket, me not have none.
Where you
Yeah,
come
my
from?
sister, me no like see you. Where I come from? No more over here. Where you expect me to come
So if
from?
you don't like me, I cannot go there.
Make you not delete yourself.
Anyways.
What?
You know something that come from up, sir?
What happened?
Over the man yard?
Yeah, what?
No, ask me for no money.
I don't say I broke one, but I don't ask you bro, somebody for money.
Because
I broke
imagine
on
me go over there.
Yeah.
And guess where man want give me for name?
Tin food.
Sausage and bun. Like, me tell the man, say, look, Pam, look how me a tickers. Girl, the man want give me.
Anybody will tell us that I want tickets, tell them to go get a ticket or out of the year. Because clearly, you know.
So what you try to say? Me not tickers?
No, me dear, come here, turn up as a skinny dip. Go on again. What else happen? You don't get no money or no?
No. Me tell you, say, man
So
want
if a
give
man
me.
you have, yeah, man and man can't mind you, you're still a leech off of me and me even have flesh on of your leech off.
And that time I take give money. Can you imagine coming down and me seeing that with backyard?
Backyard.
Yeah, girl.
Then me dear don't know say you can't go between one man and he pick me.
But
No
if
matter-
he have money, for give him woman too.
That are two. He have a figure in pick me, but you a two come like a
But
pick
every
me.
time I go over there, show him the hand on. You want to feed me pan dry goods? Me look dry out.
A little bit.
Where mama get it from?
No girl, want me tell her how she get me? Alright, so she tell me say instead of drop out of sky and me land in a one banana walk and they go pick me
And a
up
banana walk now. One big, deep, wide body hole.
straight through my sister.
Anyways, they don't cook. Can I look like you there eat?
No. What you call it? What call that something there? I wash my face and look at something left on it after I swap.
You know you can't tell me for you that? I am out early, so?
A lipstick, a lip balm, a lip
Oh,
gloss.
so you put everything around there, so?
Yeah, come me did a here, so come here, so fight did a go and done this so with Marsha and him man, girl. You remember Marsha? You man we got foreign and then he left him out and he send money and everything come and come give him and
But she
come
the
down.
find woman over there.
Yes!
I couldn't mean she come find over there.
You know no sense.
Mother deal with
Good and then
her.
how you go say woman when fine look. Hey me say when me say woman come on you man.
That's why him should have come find me because, girl, I have it
Girl
like
go
that.
and done so.
Anyways, that
Delusional
food
is
me
in
I
a
defend. You know don't cook.
Yeah, they over here.
You sure have some for me? How much piece of meat you give me?
Take two.
Girl, me can't eat 2 pieces of meat.
Girl, me I get horse and you want veranda with it too. Go over go near me too look up for
Anyways, make sure say me go over there go find the pot of chicken too.
Oh, go on. Yeah, we find it. Only what we find it because shit over.
You better see the idiot. After your daddy give you a card, you know, you got a machine, you
My
know, buy code.
code.
What we are Senegal school for? Eh? What we are Senegal? I saw you go on the
Daddy.
same thing and remember if you were sitting them.
Let me carry this.
See ya, me go pay all about me I look for you. No me buy code. Me get the money.
Huh?
Me buy code.
You know remember my code? The little time me tell you about the code, you know remember it? I see, that's where you get it from your mama.
Where you mean where you get it from?
This is what she get from you.
Where
She
you mean
get
where
your
you get it
color
from?
and your brain not
I feel
functioning.
your brain get.
Who?
Cause you can't give this a idiot card. You know, have
See,
sense enough to give
I
him if
never
you not
get
give him
called
card.
an idiot in your life. You see who I call an idiot? Alright, welcome, nice girl. You see, you now, you cause your daughter to behave like that.
To behave like what?
So she function. Now remember nothing.
I do because every time I have to send him come all the way up your yard, wait with so. I mean, I know what make you have to live on the forest part of your back of your place.
The reason why, tell the people why me move go so far for live.
Me?
Tell her.
Me business with you?
Tell her why
Me
me
business
move.
with you? In the runway. Anyways,
Did I run away?
yeah,
don't see
give
me
her the
every day.
money or what, cause me have something
You
to
don't see
do.
me every day.
Come here for money.
Right, you know come on me have the money say woman or none.
No, me never said that.
You say woman not have it. That you come say.
Sometimes she not have it. As I said me to you.
And if sometimes she not have it, you come there every day. So every day she not have it. She not work. The only thing your mother love do is pay attention to in ear and in clothes and in nails and in toenail. That's all.
Hi, me have me hair figure do. You know, finish as you can see the under the bonnet.
Me can't
Yeah,
do all
give
that
her the
bonnet.
yeah, give her the money and done. I know your penny.
And my pitney.
Eh?
My pitney can come stay with me sometime, but no. You want to keep him say hustler for me. And that's what I do.
Me and me penny I would know man. Me no business who you be. Me yeah give her the money or not.
Who?
So is it you give her the money? Or to your
Me
pocket?
can't do what to do what me I do. The reason I tell you now, because you're big enough. You're 15, I go 16. Your mama make me have to move go so far. Your mama carrying man for me.
I like him the tell you. In the everybody in the come at the yard is the man. Him hacks man for come fix light and then I go see me man. Anyways, galang with him, go get the money. Cause you need it to go to school or you need it to buy
We
groceries.
just remember, you know. Because one man come there, I don't know where man get JPS jacket from. But the man come there and talk when man fix light, chip out the light all night. Me not see him and him mama in the dark. Me not see your mama in the dark. It's when the light come back on, at that time I see your mother.
Do you believe him?
And no
You believe
problem
him?
wasn't there.
That
No
makes
light
sense to you?
problem.
That makes sense to you?
Same
He
thing
like go away from week before last week. You understand me? I say, and him call him man for come fix the light and him I say I'm
Are
free
you give me
man.
number, you know?
Me give your number?
You give me
You have
the
to
number
remember
so
good.
I support the
And
plan.
Sean, I give you the number and tap the light for me.
And the plumber, make it stay for another day. Yeah?
Hear the
Cause
plumber now. With the front
Sometimes me wonder if you are my
electrician to
daughter.
come.
But
Go on with him, cause him say I'm gonna use the card now, so go on with him, cause you go out the same way and remember the pin. Go on with him. Go on. Lead the way with me, Pitney.
you know, no follow back on me. You know. Me no want me ain't agree. Me ain't a pan piece of line.
Me
You
then
see-
tell me I come with you, no?
You see what
And me yard, me I go finish me
they
here.
affect me right now.
You go along.
Sometimes me wonder if me pick me I go be the same as you.
Be the same as you.
You!
You better be like me than you.
You come on. Cause you
Go
like
on.
me work and maintain yourself, yeah?
Nah,
You follow
man.
your mother. Your mother never work a day in her life. You go a club, go dance, palm pole. Me say if you tell you about
I
come
still
on.
work me work. If me dey wine pump pole, I still work me work. Go on, you hear? Go on.
That is not a work.
I still work, me work. When me
Work.
done it there, me get money. Work, me work. Go on.
Come.
Take your papa and go down.
Come on.
You bastard. Sure, me never even know what to call you. Me gonna go up and me and go done me.
I can't die, so what do you mean?
Listen me. Don't tell me about no take time walk. Wow. Yoo-hoo. Hello. Where you from? You come from around here?
No, me come from Elena's vagina.
Oh?
Elena, my mother name.
Oh, you don't come from around then.
No, me come from my mother vagina.
Why you trying to be so rude? I'm talking to you polite.
And I'm on here, come to me attack. Even when the girlfriend know it. How did that girl up teeth something here, sir?
No.
Don't talk to me, so.
Who you too? I don't know you
I'm
neither.
manners. You see, when you don't talk to me pick me like that.
So yeah, you pick me did that go on where you choose to talk me.
No, because you look like a nice young lady when we
Me
can
not-
just
me
come
do
home
nice.
and cook some food. You can cook, right?
Last time I cook rice and peas, you couldn't swim in it.
Oh. At least you try, so. You know him?
No?
Who you young man? Where you come from? I'm just a kid off in teeth. You see, you pick them family around here, they like you. She look beautiful, don't you? She not beautiful? Oh my God.
Oh, me not feel no way.
Okay, exchange number, tap
Sure,
share
go on.
contact.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll call you, you know?
Yeah.
You're looking nice. So what's your name?
Come on, man. Go on, no pitney, you don't know your way. Me and your papa chat. Come here,
No,
sir.
so-
Have a chat.
Relax, man.
Come
Relax,
on,
man.
nurse. Manners.
So, how old are you?
Sir, man, 19.
Wow.
Turn 19. What do you?
Wow.
Yeah, wow. I wow me too.
I like that.
Me like
So, I'm going to call you because I have a number. So, what's your name so I can save you?
What's my name?
Uh-huh.
Big Fard. Yeah, I don't think you obvious, sir. Sir, looking at me Fard and look at me and tell me, say, no hit you, say, outstanding.
Oh, I understand now. Next time you see me talk, hush your mouth. You hear me say? Hush your mouth. I saw you, yo, can you excuse me please? I called you.
But me not
Okay.
stand up in your way, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
All right.
thanks, yeah.
Let me tell you something now.
Brushing teeth.
I saw your mama did tan. Back in the days, all the your mama did younger. You hear?
Don't tell me, just
That's why I tell me
I
no
want
what.
money, me want. Come on, man.
So, okay. You and your mama. I'm money you don't know me for. I'm not bother go down the road. You come, Jack. Come. Hop. I'm not bother. Hop.
So I can look for the piece of meat what you put in my plate. Bone. Bone. That's why I'm take out our bag juice out our fridge.
I could never make one bag juice when I have the day. You
My
drink.
God. You couldn't stay with spot today. Girl, me thirsty.
Drink Crystal Punch. WATER.
I'm gonna drink this with the
Water.
bag juice. Hot girl drink bag juice.
What could you do?
Bag
Your hot girl, you
juice.
put them no look so. Call your head. So how are your money run out?
Girl, the ground dirty and a flip flop. Anyways, what kind of little piece of chicken is you put on my plate?
Hold it back again. Let me see which size you take out. Let me see size.
I hit you put it on my plate. This. Look,
Bring
bone.
it on my face again and say, bone.
Girl, bye. You know see me right here, sir. I drink.
You know, say you're ungrateful. You look a mother's cunt, you're ungrateful, you know. Imagine, you not help me provide in my yard. You come in my yard. Me feed you, and your teeth, me close them, so you can't say me close you. And you really come here and chat about if I really this year me left. Make you not go buy chicken then if you want chicken with flesh.
I will clean up here.
Girl, oh please, you did there? No, you never
How
did.
will you call and tell if you can clean you up?
Girl, me never call if you call clean up nothing. You only two I'm call if you call clean up and you yuck. Me not, yes, what if you suck?
Well, I'm a man that
you
front me
young
suck then.
girl. Me don't know where you're there at the road.
He take back your meat. Me no want it.
As bad as thing, me not suffer like you. Keep it. Bruh, don't come back here. Turn up there. Weird. Turn up there, girl. You still turn up, you don't move. Take your nasty throat of me yard. Right. Come in here, me give you look something. Me come here. I can't chat you like an ungrateful girl. Come back over here, you see.
Yes, you come. Where money there?
Mom, you could tell her I said, I'm getting no money.
What do you mean you don't get no money? Now that you go with your father for?
You don't know that look girl.
So because him don't get rid of that girl in a game money? So your father don't give you the money and you come back here without it?
What if you do?
And him don't get rid of that girl? It's alright. I go and suit him, so you see as soon as we done right here, so me I go down there to him because he must know when him don't get a girl for him from mine him picnic. You come, lie down. Me cook little food, so if you want, you can go eat it.
I'm going to see first.
It's alright. Ren!
Yes, mommy?
Ren!
Yes, honey?
Come here. As you can see, me really good for cooking now. Because you see, me still do the head. Boy, I don't know when I done this ahead, but anyways, boy, I pay your father to ask him to sit down. And hurry up and come back and make night catch you. Here.
Alright.
Alright.
I hope the man of them yard. Bring it up. Girl, where you a go?
You realize my head did dead on that means I didn't want to see you.
Well, miss you do.
Shut here and walk past. I never see you. Pretend like you never see me.
Hey, me have you up, you know.
Have me up for what?
Feed dirty water with your chew.
No business, man.
And feel like a piece of meat. Plus, you can't talk about how me they wear your clothes them. Which part fit me I wear your clothes them?
Nigga, even my shorts say you still have on. You think so me no know?
Girl, you know so me thicker than you. This can't fit you. You forgot to say for me this?
Girl, oh please. And mommy did give me your teeth and my teeth back. What you have to say about that?
Which part mommy there?
Oh well, mommy gone. Mommy run well left way.
So how she figure that?
And they give you one with the Somali and I say it tight.
This a for you. So if I did for you, we can catch you up so.
Cause it look short and it don't look good so I catch it up. Love me and my fashion.
Ah, because I know for you.
Girl, go on by your business. Where
Yeah,
you
talk about me then.
Where you tap me for?
Call me hungry.
Yeah, my body.
What you know, no manners?
What is that?
Girl,
They say I seem to look hungry than you and I seem
You
to
know
look a wild
say-
animal.
you older than me and you fit feed me.
But could you too? Yeah, how much me there?
It don't really matter.
Okay, you're there on your own. So continue on your own and walk up on your own. You go to your man. I know me around you. Go to your man.
You can't care, I go to doctor because from that.
Girl.
Come here, me a chat.
Stop man hang me and you down there.
It's from me meet that man never get piece of this Gucci. Never.
Well, whether or not he get yes or
Some of
no,
them talk
I
about
am him there. If you know
How you sure
happen,
say me
it
in there?
won't go happen. Are you sister? Never miss sister. But just I use for your words.
Girl, I think I'm alone me have. Because if
Well,
me
go
have
to the
go-
next one where you have.
That's why it's when time me have money, no stretch your hand, give me.
I'm not stretch my hand because right now you can barely take care of yourself, much less me.
Liar tell.
So come on, come on my yard, come beg me food. Simple.
Stop calling me and ask me for money.
When me call you and ask you for money,
The Sunday
show me
dinner-
your reason.
The Sunday. How are this?
Nigga,
how
that
are
is
this?
not me. I know my phone number that.
Oh, say Sunday dinner where you cook and give me liquor, the bone. And think say me a dog. I will get money.
Wait, which way you turn from? Give me. Black Keisha, Blacky, but Betty Black. Go on where you go. And don't make me style in the evening. See road there. You ill shape
That's
it.
why I'm not like you. I'm sorry, you're my sister.
Me walk on a big legs. You
I'm
shape
sorry,
like
I'm
a
a
good
sister.
Friday. Go on by your business.
You
I'll be
feel
right.
what?
Daddy! Oh, I'm not calling that answer.
Oh, what happened to you now?
Mom,
Huh? What happened to you now?
Mom send me the money.
Sure?
Man.
In a night like this? Yes,
I'm
it's
not
the
in
dark
for
up.
morning. I should not cook.
And she not cook. So you told me I try to show you the type of mother what you have. Eh? You see, that's why not good to breed them when they're young because you see, they don't have nothing. Eh? Nothing. For your 33-year-old, you should have something. The amount of money when me give your mother when they breed her, if you start a business, your mother take it to your head. So your mother manage with money, your mother don't want to go to your shop. Your mother didn't own here. Buy clothes and then go on a road with man. Me tell him buy how much crate of liquor give man. For him and his friend them drink. Eh, your mother never look for me and buy me a case of chubby. And him a buy Dragon and Guinness. And he can't buy you. Tell me now. Just tell me now. But actually you are my pitney, yeah? You better me spend on you than spend on woman.
Just
Alright.
like it when we meet, you gotta spend pan or two. So no make sense to this.
Listen me, come out of that argument there, yeah? Go on with the 200 US. Walk fast by your yard. Don't make darkness. Alright.
Kuya, how much money does you have?
200. Wait.
Where you get it?
I know you have to about that before I give me.
Oh, say for that you so funny. But anyways, as me see you, if you got some up there so. The man when him thank you up there so. You can collect something from him for me.
Alright.
Just tell him say Jody, you here? At least you're nice to me today. But me go check your father.
Okay.
Remember, na tell thank you say Jody send you here.
Ah.
Alright, safe walk. Jay!
Jesus. No man. How me want what problem?
Good night.
Good night.
Anyways, how Jesus stay here about Jesus?
Jesus not doing nothing, me just tired and stressed
The
and
shock?
no, it's clothesline.
Alright.
How your problem?
What one?
Nothing, I'm gone.
Me or see have US over here.
You here to me have US over here. So
Me see a daughter with 200 US.
so what wrong with that? No me pitney.
Hey, never can't give me money?
No, listen me now.
Are you see me and you there? You see me and your
Me
heartbeat?
no, me and you there. No means that me there. For every minute me I give you money like that and I use it wisely. You know, I see it towards the future. You have see where do you me give you money you boy in it. Right?
Cause I say you like you say you love woman with nipple ring.
Alright, you are. Tomorrow.
Jay, every day you tell me that.
No, listen.
Jay, when you gonna stop peel me?
Alright.
You know me love you.
Yeah, me love you too. But you know,
But when last you give me money?
I am going to give you a 1 week trip. Yeah, man, I'm still never somewhere to spend 1 week at a hotel. You say you want to swim in a pool and this. I'll give you 1 week tomorrow because now go down, pay your feet online and you just go spend it 1 week. You see me? Oh.
Murder. Father, get the busy walk come right now, bit zadis. Someone ask you a question. Shush. When you hear me talk, don't send it out of your mouth. Make me chat.
Talk.
So you want to send me one alone in a hotel where you want to kidnap me, make people kill me, and you want to come to?
Why
No,
you
me-
think that?
No, me and you there, no, me and you finna go lie down.
Alright, yeah, come on now. Let's go spend a couple of hours, man. Yeah, go on so.
Make sure you deal with me right now.
Don't worry about that. Yeah, man, come on.
Can't believe because now that come and person came with week. I don't even know what's what. How far me I come? What's over here, so?
Don't move.
Yeah. How you come from this?
You don't need to worry
How we
about
a
that.
chat to two fence?
You don't need to worry about that. Just me and see anybody the true fence.
We know some men are there. But that not say. Wait.
Anyways, I come down here to come see me and come see if me see you. What me there today?
You really ask me say no. Tell me truth, where really ask me say no?
Me send my daughter to you from yesterday. Now I know me not see my daughter from today now.
Listen, it's when your daughter come to me, I give her money when she give me back my card. You know. I give her money. Say if you go on with it, go get where you get. So how comes you not see your daughter? Answer me that.
Me send my daughter. She not come to you yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay. Me send her from yesterday and today is today. Me not see me picnic hand now.
You know say I want to kill this more.
Oh, me careless to send him to him, Papa.
You
You want
ki-
careless, Papa? You could have left your daughter making going back on road and in the night. For you fall and go in yard.
Hello. Are you send the picnic come out at night? Just because you're greedy, just because you
She
can't.
did light when time she come down here.
No.
And if night catch her down here, you know, send, you know, follow her come back up.
I dust up. My woman did come link me couldn't did move. I
Oh, so
couldn't
you
did
put
move.
woman over your penny.
I never put pitney over me. Wow, woman over my pitney.
You just
whatever.
say I never put
No,
pitney over me
no.
woman. That's your first.
No, listen.
And that you say first.
Are you wrong?
You put woman over your penny because you could have follow your penny go back on yard.
Right now.
I know me can't see my penny. You see, if me not see my penny, remember me tell you, say, I hope you see me and bring the police and come haul and pull you.
How we
And me
think
don't
police
know.
are going to pull?
No, you. Me send me pitney in there before
How can you
night
send your
reach.
pitney to 6? On the road. Just because of money.
6, not 6 o'clock. 6, and she reach up your door. She reach up your door.
Yeah.
Oh, see you see her.
Me see her.
You see her. You see
And
when
I
she
give
go back?
her about
You see when she go
$200
back?
US or
You see when she
$300
go
US. I
back?
don't remember.
How you know saying a kidnap me and have him over there in the house?
Why would I want to kidnap my own daughter? Me I idiot?
Me no know.
Am I a fool?
Me no know.
You see, uno mother. You see, uno not
Everything
forget
you
no
talk
pitney.
about, uno mother,
You
uno
don't
mother,
forget no.
uno papa
So when you
don't
pay
get money
attention to
either.
your nose ring, your ear ring, that's why me you can't agree. That's why me you can't agree because that's all they think
Everything
about.
I ring them.
Money.
Everything is
That's
the
all
ring
they
them.
think about. You know what time I say, can me go to courthouse to come on and pay
see?
less? Me say, can
You
me go to
see,
courthouse?
if-
You don't want
You
can me go to
see,
courthouse.
if me
Why?
not see me pitney,
Why you don't want can me go to
Chai.
courthouse?
what time now? Me don't even know because me not know phone for me.
Why you don't
see,
want
if
can me
not
go
see
to
me pitney
courthouse?
soon, remember me tell you, say, I hope you me and bring the police them come. Remember me tell you.
Bring them at your yard first.
Them
Before you
won't
bring
come,
them at my
them won't
yard.
come, hope ya. Because you last see me pitney. You last see him. You last see her.
I mean last year pitney.
You last see her.
I mean last year pitney.
Just make sure you find me pitney and make sure she reach at my yard. So
You
what
see
you
you?
need to go do is go get buckle touch now and before night come down.
You see you?
You
You're
better
wicked.
find her.
You're
You
very
better
wicked.
find her.
You're a very wicked mother. All right, I mean must see to that.
Wagwan.
More go come yard.
Hey, you got turn right here, so because you are stop my food. You are stop what me forget from your pa. You got stay right here, so until me get everything from him. You lucky things so me carry clothes can't give you put on by your back.
Right now me am hungry.
You hungry? You eat chip? Well, you go starve because that alone me have round there so can't give for them. So me, I go down there so, go check your pa and come back. And me tell you this, me know I hear make none nice. Make sure you go find something and push in your mouth. For your shush. So come.
Hello.
Yeah,
Even.
even.
May I look for my daughter? I see one little brown girl.
My friend a whole heap of brown pitney a brown girl there up in this way. You have to be more specific, you know.
I say only little brown girl with house around up and against a man.
Well, if that's the case, no, because I barely come in this part or passage or whatsoever you want to call it. So
Why? Me send the little girl go up her father, you know. And before the man follow the little girl come back at the yard, you know.
he send him
Him
out one.
send her home in a dark. And now me can't find my pitney.
Good on the only man with 2 big stone. But when you say brown girl, that still not help me. You know no picture.
Me left all my phone for you. Show me if I
Then,
rush
man,
out.
how you feel search your picking? I no care no
Cause me
little
just
picture or
run
nothing.
out and me I said no sir, me can't find my penny from morning. Me just run
So
out.
we at you for your picnic left yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Are you sleep peacefully night
Me
and your
just sleep.
picnic
Me tell
never
you, me
reach
sleep.
it?
Me never sleep.
So we can never start on Friday night.
Know that me do.
Oh God. poor
And me
life.
just find him pa this little while I come up the road.
Well, I cannot help. There's nothing I can do. My only advice to you, go to the station,
Alright, down there me I go. Me just a heart.
describe your picnic to them. Every face, every features, every eye, every ear, everything. I make them enjoy him and then they put him up on TV. Well, have a lovely day. I hope you find your kid. Yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, I wish you luck.
Have the manners too.
See, I wonder if me can get a million line idea, yeah. Murder. Watch ya. Leave that over there, so. Oi, man. How are you do up here, so?
Right now, I don't know. Right now, things are going on, I don't understand. Because my baby mother couldn't tell me about how my picnic come home from yesterday.
Here ya.
I don't understand that. I have money she a try look from me. Make sure I see all of them things there.
So where your daughter supposed to do?
You know. Well, I don't know.
Well, that's for you and your baby mother business.
Feel like a man here she gone, you know.
The little innocent pitney there look like she not take man. She calm when me meet her.
I don't know if you say because how can a mother sleep so peacefully till way in the evening, I'm walk and look for picnic. And don't think the
I
picnic in
kill
my
this mother
yard.
that then, man.
And go think the picnic in my yard. I do what? Huh?
So the pitney would do there yard.
I don't have no time for myself. I picnic me I go keep in my yard. Huh?
So hold on. So how she gone missing? If you can't find her, where she did it? Are you she come check?
The evening when they come on my yard, and that same evening that she left. And I dust up.
Anyway, so make you follow your daughter? Go halfway?
As you come with them foolishness there again.
Yeah, because your daughter you should have follow her go halfway.
Listen me, I never, listen, I'm going to say it clearly again. You know. I never send her out of the yard from over mama to 6 to come on my yard for money. I would have come myself. Why you never tell the mama?
But every time she come over there, she want money. It's like, say, her mother not working. Are you alone for do everything?
The mother careless.
Must be bite me.
It come like all of the mothers, then when they get picnic, then dunk ya. Then a business again, because yeah, they have something we can leech off of the man with.
Oh.
You ever hear them say baby, you can use baby control man?
Mm-hmm.
And the man then control of the pocket. Because no woman can use picnic controller man.
Oh.
Because if a man decides to go today, you can't hold him. Unless the only way you can hold a man, unless you do the right thing. Because the secret to a man's heart is in belly.
Oh, so
If him
secret to fear heart or fear belly too?
I don't tell you that. But a secret to a man's heart is in belly. You see, once he get breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and he well alright, you know have to
I know I want fear secret, but I not say nothing. But anyways, I know that I come up here to talk. What one? You don't miss me?
I miss you, but I vex.
Look how much days now you not see me.
Did I see you yesterday?
No.
You know, come on my yard yesterday after my daughter left.
When they come here yesterday? I don't even remember. My head not even right, so my head upon you.
No, listen. Don't put your head on me right now. It's when they come on to my picnic. When they find my picnic, then they can talk about that. You know, a matter of fact, you chat nonsense. Check me back when my sense come back and when I find my picnic here. My picnic is very important right now. You see, if we can't find my picnic.
So my money the way you promised me.
When they find my picnic, we think about that right now. You hear me? I say? My girl picnic come first. If I the boy picnic, I left him backside out there. But my girl picnic, you know, reach now. If in the 16, 17, 18, I go up, I left him backside because I know if I'm sending him on road. But as he's too young and naive and fool, I go walk look for him too. His mama attack me down the road. You know?
Oh, she not attack you good?
I told me no lick, woman let me no hawk and pit in me and I'm backside.
Should I take up 2 stones and lick you with it?
I never want to see man I just hard competing in my hand back and box you, you know. You know? Galang
I
mo
hope
yun.
you find her.
Oh God. Mm. Wicked piece of girl.
You again?
What go on, sweet girl?
No.
You're looking fabulous.
Thanks.
Looking nice, man. I
So,
wish.
how we are gonna...
I don't really know, but some big problem are going right now.
Such as what?
Data can't be found.
Oh. Wait, I see him look a girl, me see.
Huh?
You see him look a girl, me see.
Yeah, brown one day. What this mama don't make it. I don't know.
Wait, him and I look for him too.
One brown.
Me see lady up there so not too long when me a come, but I call son hot and me tell me say me a rest so in a cool shade. And me see one little bugger in there, so that's why me did a dig him out. But me see lady and the lady say she a look for her daughter too.
One brown lady.
Yeah, one brown.
With bonnet for the head.
She said one.
Kill this mama, that man. Kill this mama. How you would have your picnic and send him out to 6. Pay money from your father.
Me don't follow him.
Yo. Yes, that.
And me call you come up a yard and you can't come or you come up a yard come give me.
No, me no go a yard.
Well, me don't follow him then.
Right, you don't follow your picnic. Even if you turn up out of the man gate then, make him go to him father, collect the money and come out. Because you no go over there because you the man that really agree at that. Now the picnic missing him have to come to me and chat to me.
But you have to chat to you, so that's the they call it so they can know most likely when what time he disappear to find him.
Listen man, the mama is careless. Look at the time now. I don't like that early morning.
Alright, so let me ask you something now. Since as a mama careless, you could be more have more little caring in you and follow him go back then. If you even did follow him and turn up down there so and watch him go over here, then you feel say you couldn't do that too.
Let me ask you a question.
I don't hear questions, sir.
Why me did we get up if you follow and go back? I me send him out of the yard in the time I was there. Huh? If you have your sibling, you would have sent them out of the yard in the time I was there.
No sibling different.
Alright, if you have your picnic, your girl picking at that.
I'm very young. My mind not do this right now. Me want work and be independent.
They can't talk to you. Then. You look nice and everything, but you just
Me just
all over the place.
oh wow.
So why you just oh wow? What kind of
Sir,
word
me
that?
turn up right here, so you say me all over the place. I want place me turn up, you know, you all over the place. So I look for you.
Yeah, me have to look for my picnic.
Yeah, so you all over the place.
If
so
you
me
see
all
her,
over
you
the
make me
place.
know you have the number.
Yeah,
Call
me
me.
call you. Me call you if me see her.
Good.
Or nobody will look like her.
And you see if your mama tap you again, you have to call her careless mama, yeah?
Sir, me can take a rock stone in my face.
She can't touch you.
What you gonna do? She touch me.
No box down that. You're my queen now. So if she touch you, make me know. Remember, if you ask any
You
question,
sure you liar?
huh?
You sure you liar, Lana, me one?
Well, me,
I lie. Go on where you go. I'm not gonna want you. I know you're clean again.
you're not listening.
You
No.
take too long to answer them. Then you should even think about it. You shouldn't just say.
Me want look at one speggy we come check me, but the money she always a check me for one look black one. But you never beg me nothing from me to talk to you. So, I mean, I know sex just like how me I talk to you. So why the difference?
No difference. Nothing. Go on where you go.
All right.
I think.
Oh my God. Sis, what?
No. Where you come from?
I'm my boyfriend.
Oh, I forgot to say a file, man. I want to can mind you to come and me I come big and you want my food. That you fit do.
Girl, you're not supposed to know some I love your cooking.
Me no business. I go hate it for now because I start salty butter. You see my rice? If you're not take swimming lesson, then don't come and wait for my rice or nothing.
If me not do what?
If you're not take swimming lesson, because rice, where you water, you can swim in it.
You're lucky. Anyways, we have to know what to do I play with the mangy dog for.
Girl, allow me pop in there when me through thick and thin.
Sorry.
Listen! Anytime I did there.
Me not like dog.
No. Anytime, come back. Anytime I did there, I'm lonely and broke and everything, my dog stick with me. You were nowhere to be found. Now me I get through in a life. My dog still there with me, so me I keep him here with me. You can come here, come run out my company
Go
with there.
want to sit down.
Girl, find one block or
Your body no
something.
big.
You're damn right, my body
It's
large.
flat.
As flat as it be, I hit on my demand them. Ah.
You fine, man?
No, me not find on it.
Oh. Me there, so me there come over and eat my dinner.
Me no cook. Me just a come off the road.
So you have to tell me, say,
Tell you so.
you get the money and you cook?
No, me no cook. Me go buy 3 fries and 2 nuggets and me eat it.
Give me my money.
What's up?
Give me for me share.
Yeah, somebody yourself from what there? Eh? Yeah, somebody yourself from what there? Girl, don't come in here come bright with me, cause me fling piss on you next time. No, girl, come on.
I may take your pan fling it back. Give me for me money.
Alright, put your hand in your face again and see me no pit in it.
You're nasty, you know?
Oh.
Mama, where your mama get it from, by the way?
Banana
Come even never
walk.
say mommy.
Banana walk me there. Because I drop from sky right in a banana walk and they pick me up outside.
Me sorry, mama pick up for your papa.
Me sorry too. I don't know why my name just stop at 1. I don't know why I forgot number 2. I must say in the hand.
Because she want a queen, can use nothing.
Girl, if you're a queen, what for me title then?
Nothing.
Oh, at least this year nothing here. If you're a queen and you're coming, I'm here come beg. Girl, wear your title and go live your rich life then. Since as you're a queen. No queen, no poor. Don't come here.
Me
No
no poor.
queens don't beg.
Me no poor.
Even in monarchy and everything where they are.
You ever come on me
so
yard?
You ever yet see them the day beg?
You ever come on me
You
yard?
don't have a damn yard, girl. Go and boy your business.
You ever come on me yard?
Girl, come out to me here.
Me come for my money.
Me not hand on the big out of my bottle.
Well, me dey go in there so.
Go
In
and
that the
search.
kitchen there.
Only what
And me
you-
dey go search up in here.
Search me there. You only thing we have to find a chalk bone them what in the front what there come in a washing up plate.
So
Cause
say you
me feel
nasty?
Like say, yeah, me nasty. Your name from the nasty girl do. Eh?
Wonder why my
Go
belly
on,
there
go
hot
on them.
me.
Me left it. Yeah, me left it bone them for you. You can't go on.
Wonder why my belly there hot me what here.
Go on now, you what you top for? Go on. Or you go on your yard and come out to me. I'm tired of you. Every day,
So
me come here. You never say, sis, you alright, sis, you eat, sis, you
Me
nothing,
ask
sis,
her what,
you
but
this, sis, you
anyways.
that. Sis, you do nothing, you just come here with a long gut. Go on to your man, me I know your man. Go make
Are
your
you
man
saying
find
once
you.
say anything more? Am I supposed to come to you say you time me
Me
and
dear,
tie you?
You reach your time. Right now, me retire. Me retire from being your sister. You're draining me.
You see me na hand
You
Don't
see,
call me.
if you chat, you name shit.
You
If
know what?
Oh,
Me
you
can't
name
come out
shit.
here. Me
Bumper,
can't come out
you
here.
name shit.
Me can't come out here.
Your name shit. Jesus Christ, me never know some my sister name shit. My sister name shit. Boy, bright.
Lord have mercy. So, you know, we get together and everything, and you finally come to conclusion and thing.
No, not confusion, conclusion.
Oh, you know what's going what's
me
going
know
on, man.
what's good, man.
So,
Oh, so you're sitting on a person with woman for you to look for your picnic?
that question.
You want me to turn up?
I do what this one, this me I talk about, turn up.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, call work list. You better than me? You better? You know work list to fill up your picnic, to make your picnic come out here in the night.
Oh, well, it's so much I show you.
Me see.
Listen to me.
So let's sit down with woman and chat about me.
No, me dear, you're not so important. Don't get up in your feet.
Did I was making...
Are you kid you did a chat boy? Are you kid who did a chat boy? You know
kid,
say that.
kid. You have kid. You have kid, you go up now.
Me never say kiddie.
Ram.
Me never say kiddie, me say kid.
Ram.
Oh, huh?
Yeah, because you're the good. Ram. What me pin it there?
You asked me. Did I? You know, me shut up. Me shut up.
Breathe easy, baby. Breathe easy.
Me shut up. Yeah? Me shut up. Can you see you now? You me not like your dirty style, you know. You is the fault of everything. What?
Watch out.
Where you come from?
Me.
She kidnapped you?
Yes. No! sir.
Because
This
you
can't
want
go,
my
sir.
daddy.
Hey, you know who she be? She kidnap your girl?
You know what?
I'm his sister. No, me this one her. She was
Me
telling
not
me
kidnap
sister.
nobody.
You kidnap me.
Me go release her from one man.
I lie.
So man, you really
I
have
A
that.
man.
No.
But anyways, hold on.
So
Me
if you
expect-
release her from man, where you run her down for?
Me they run behind her because the man they run
Shut
me
him
down.
out, shut him
Where
out, shut
which
him out,
man
shut
they
him
run
out.
you down?
One big black man up there so.
Shut him
Show
out.
a big black man.
No, shut him up. Let me ask my pit, because my pit never tell me lie. What happened?
She kidnapped me, so in night when they give me money, she see me. I'll come and she something there. If I go up there, so we go do something.
Girl, look your face.
Collect something from a man. I'ma go up there.
Where you want next jackass to? Somebody said in a knife, you go collect something from. I said, you want licky? I said, your mother grow up. Me tell you, you know, go back to your mama, you know.
Oh,
You,
you have to go collect something from man.
hello, coconut head.
Who you
She
call
not
coconut head?
coming
Ram.
back.
Who you calling
She
coconut?
not coming back to
Not
stay with
coming
you,
back
know.
from where?
You not go back to your mama.
Now go back where?
She not going back where you are.
Oh, so you can make them make your pissing tail girl them kidnap me
Who?
pitney again.
Who you call pussy tail?
Hello, are you?
Wait, babes, you not there?
I see me tell about the riff-raff when me I talk to.
Which we
Stop, grab up my man, so girl. May I hear your sister again? Let him go.
I did my man first.
Fight him off your papa.
No, hold on.
You
Listen.
come. You
Come here.
come.
Lick him, babes, lick him. Me not know her again. Me this one her. You want to find something weird?
Prison me I carry you going.
Let me go.
You are going to jail them prison.
Let me go.
Two. Hold on for me again.
No. Your hand not gonna do you wonders. Use this. You want me help you? Or you want me swing it for you? Me this one her, me not know her again. Me send her prison for you.
Oh, say you
She
there
always
all along.
girl.
Hello. She
So
never
that's
know.
why everybody want give me no money for buy something.
She never know
Anyways,
to
we
me
give
talk
you
to
the
you,
statement, me they breed for you.
Yuck, girl, got that she way.
Anyway, me give you the
No,
statement.
remember, no, me believe you. Cause you tell me say you never sleep with her.
What I know?
Yeah.
Even if I did do it in my jump stage or in my sensible state. Anyway, you are going to prison with that the picking in your belly. So that picking they are banned for kidnap my only.
Me not kidnap your pitney, me say.
Tell me one more time, where you say happen?
So idiot,
Me kidnap you?
She can't do you no slap her.
You love me?
Me love you to my heart,
Good.
babes.
Come here, other option.
Yeah, haul him way. Me support you with that. Jag him way into wild. Hey, me don't know her. Yeah, I do not know that girl. I used to know her. Yeah, can you pick me? Next time don't be so careless.